Today's video is another What's Sold in the Stack. I sold 6 items today. That's 4 on Poshmark and 2 on eBay. This is my assistant, Dolly. She is our foster fail puppy. She likes to inspect the packages before I send them to the post office. Without further ado, let's see what's inside those packages that shipped today. So we'll start on Poshmark. I sold a pair of Levi denim jeans. These are the 569 loose straight leg jeans for men. I paid $4.50 for these at Goodwill. They sold for $25 on Poshmark and the buyer did pay shipping. My profit was $15.50 and these took 3 months to sell. Next up is a pair of Ariat shoes. Now I did pay up for these. I paid $10 for these leather slip-on shoes. They sold within 1 month of listing for $30 on Poshmark. And again, the buyer did pay shipping, so my profit was $14. Looking at these keywords, I included Ariat shoes, size 9. Cruiser palm, brown suede, leather slip-on loafers, western, and mock for moccasin. I retrieved the style name, the cruiser palm, from the style number inside of the shoe. I popped that into Google search, and that's what it returned. The soles on these did not look too bad. I do not take the time to clean the shoes, whether it be the upper or the bottom soles. I believe the shoes will get dirty anyway, and if the buyer would like to clean them, they can. I do include all of that in my description details. Here you can see I haven't tried to clean these, but you can. Normal signs of wear and dirt as pictured. So do keep your eye open for anything Ariat Western wear. Next, I sold a pin. I received a lot of these Cross Classic twist pins. In fact, I still have some left to sell if you're interested. This one sold for $28 on Poshmark. I did accept an offer. My profit was $17.07. And again, I love these because this is just one listing that I can list multiple times. And these pins surprisingly have sold for at least $30, if not more. I can get more money on Amazon. I believe these are hot sellers this time of year due to a graduation. And the last time I wanted to share with you that sold on Poshmark today was a pair of Rocky Mountain denim jeans. I picked up a bunch of these at Goodwill for just $4.50 each. They have been selling for at least $60, sometimes up over $100 a pair. This pair sold for $70, and again, the buyer did pay shipping on Poshmark, so my profit was $46.61. These are vintage, as you can see here, and made in the USA with the paper material tag. Here you can kind of see the logo, Rockies, in a gray and black label. A lot of these jeans do not have back pockets, and that is referred to as bareback. Looking at these keywords, Rockies, Rocky Mountain denim. This is the size on the inner label. Inseam is extra long, which I did hyphenate and spell out. High-rise waist, and sometimes I will also include the keyword mom for mom jeans. Next, we'll hop over to eBay. I sold a pair of American Eagle denim jeans. These are skinny, men's, size 31 by 34. These I've had since 2021. They did take a long time to sell. They did finally sell on my promotion for $30.21, and the buyer did pay $9 priority shipping. As you can see here, the knees were fairly beat up. I can't tell if that is by design or just normal wear. So perhaps that's why they took so long to sell. I'm not real sure. I have had luck selling American Eagle jeans in the past. So my profit on these was $19.22. Taking a look at these keywords: American Eagle, 3134 men's skinny jeans. I did also include the keywords distressed, destroyed, next level Airflex, which is what it says on the inner tag here. So do keep your eye open for American Eagle jeans. I'm not sure if you've been into the retail store recently, but they are expensive. So there is a secondhand market for American Eagle denim jeans. Again, these sold for $30 plus shipping. And the last item on eBay is a Lululemon cardigan sweater. I've had this since last May, so it took almost 1 year to sell. I was surprised by that, but perhaps I did have it overpriced at $55. An offer came in of $25 and the buyer paid $9 shipping, so they were $34 all in on this Lululemon sweater. My profit was $16.51. I picked it up at a thrift store for just $3. So what are your thoughts on this? Did I undersell it? Was it overpriced? Leave a comment below and let me know. I have not seen a Lululemon sweater like this before. So yeah, I priced it high, but perhaps I did have it overpriced. Looking at these keywords: Lululemon wrap cardigan sweater, size 6. It is a long sleeve duster, open front, and lagging look. Now it's time for a dose of Reseller Reality. This is a new segment in my videos where I share with you some of the odd questions or situations I get myself into as an online reseller. And this one comes to us from eBay. I listed this corn dog stuffed plush animal on eBay, and within 1 day, it sold for my full asking price of $32.07, and the buyer paid $7 first class shipping. So they were about $40 all in on this small stuffed plush animal. Now, eBay allows a buyer up to 4 days to actually make the payment. So on eBay, a buyer can hit the buy now button, but then payment is a secondary process where the buyer has to come back and actually make the payment. This is different than any other platform. Poshmark is immediate payment, as well as Mercari. I think Depop is a delay. I'm just getting started over there, but I do have a couple items that sold that are not yet paid for. But yeah, eBay allows a buyer, it's kind of a layaway deal where they have up to 4 days to make a payment. So since the item was not yet paid for on eBay, I left the item listed on my other platforms, including Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook, and even Depop. Within hours, the corn dog sold again on Poshmark for $32, and the buyer did pay shipping on that. So once again, the buyer was about $40 all in on the Poshmark sale of this corn dog stuffed plush animal. So here I have an item that sold on 2 separate platforms. eBay buyer has not yet paid. However, on Poshmark, the buyer did pay. So what would you do? Would you cancel the eBay sale knowing that the buyer has not paid and go ahead and honor the Poshmark sale where the buyer did pay? Or would you allow the eBay buyer up to 4 days to make a payment knowing that he may or may not pay, and you could possibly lose both sales? Leave a comment below and let me know what you would do in this situation. Now, I am aware that eBay is cracking down on canceling orders. You can get suspended on eBay if you cancel too many orders as a seller. So I did send the eBay buyer a message, and it said, "I could ship as soon as I receive payment. If you'd like to cancel, please let me know." The buyer did not reply to this message. However, I did receive her payment the very next day, so I went ahead and honored the eBay sale, canceling the Poshmark one. If you've enjoyed this video or learned something new today, pound that like button. It's the thumbs up. It really helps my channel, and it tells me that I am creating great content that you guys love. I will link another What Sold in the Stack video here for your viewing pleasure. Enjoy this one as well, and I'll catch you in the next one.